Hello, I am Yana Glam. Welcome to my channel. If you like the unit that I'm wearing or you like the way I styled my hair, please stay tuned. I'll be doing a 1 month review on this unit that I'm wearing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. That bell, go ahead and click it for me so you don't miss not one of my videos. Thank you for watching. So I did my unboxing of this unit. This is the Ginger Brown unit from Love Me Hair. This is the 20-inch, okay? I bought this hair maybe about 2 months ago, and I posted a video about a month ago. But the unboxing of this unit, I was in love with it because I finally got me a ginger brown unit, okay? This hair, let me start first with, yes, I have purchased from Love Me Hair before. The first unit I purchased was a body wave unit. As you can see in this picture. My second unit was a water wave unit. I loved those units from Love Me Hair. The body wave one, all I had to do was plait it, and I'll have some loose big waves, and it was get up, unbraid, and go. The water wave unit, I had to find the right conditioner to mix with water to put it on my hair before I was loving it, but I loved it as well. This unit, when I got it out the box, like, the texture felt great. It felt really good, as you can see here. Like, I mean, the curls were a little dead, but it was a great texture. The texture was good on the hair when I unboxed it. However, when I washed it, I co-washed it with conditioner, and I let it dry, and blow dried it up maybe like 20%. It was thick and poofy and frizzy and a lot of flyaways going on. And so I flat ironed it. I actually ended up flat ironing it twice. And I think that it's because it was a color unit, so the quality of the hair has been changed a bit because it has been bleached, it has been colored. So what I did do was, to soften up the texture of the hair, is I decided to ball my unit. So I balled my unit. I put some conditioner in there, and I balled it for 10 minutes, and then I let it sit for a little bit. I think that was my mistake of letting it sit for a little bit. I probably should have took it out, but I wanted the conditioner to really get in there. It did bleach, not bleach, it did color my knots, not knots, it did color my lace. There we go. It did give my lace like a reddish kind of tint, but nothing too bad. It just looks like a reddish brown. In one area it was really darker than the other, but that's on me. But overall, I would say that if you don't mind, taking the steps if you need to, if your unit was a little frizzy with flyaways like mine, balling it, and then, styling the unit from there, then I would definitely recommend this unit. I didn't notice any extra shedding than what is normal. I love it. I mean, I can style it however I want to. Now, some people have asked me what texture is this hair. I'm not really sure, to be honest. It doesn't say on the website. When you wet it, it does have somewhat of a wave pattern, but yeah, it's not, I'm not sure. It may be like a regular body wave or straight. It would be my idea. But if you are thinking of getting this unit, it is a good unit. I like the color. It's not perfect, as I discussed, if you'll watch my unboxing video. But to me, it works for me. It depends on you. So if you have purchased this unit, let me know what you think, and let me know if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching.